Welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can sort data without using VBA or without using sort and filter option. So it means the data will automatically sorted. See, in column B and C there is a raw data, and column G, H and I there is the sorted data. So how it works, Ramesh is in the top position. If I change the sales value, you can see that Ramesh has moved to third position from first. So let's see how we can create or how we can build such kind of report. For this we will use rank function. See, what we will do, we will use the rank function. So we will write down rank, then the number, then reference means the total reference, and 0 for descending order. We will freeze this option, this reference area. Now just copy and paste. Now we will use the index match formula. X array would be the total table. We will fix, and for row number we will use the match function. Match lookup value, we will looking for this value, and the lookup array is this. We will also fix the lookup array, and we want exact match, so that's the reason I'm putting here 0, comma, column number is 1. First we want the name. Okay, so this is the column number 1 and this is the column number 2, so we will use the 1. The formula will remain same. What we will do, we will just copy the formula and paste in the next cell, and just will change the column. You can just copy and paste the value, and you can see it can easily change or automatically sorted on the basis of sales value or sales numbers. So if the number will same, then what will happen? You can see there is 2 1 and there is no 2. That's the reason it's showing NA. So to avoid this, we will use the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF. What we will do, we will use the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF range we will just fix this area. Then again the criteria. Okay, and we will put -1 because COUNTIF always count the exact cell. A mistake, so it should be C12. Then it will increase 1 by 1. You can see here it is C13. Okay, so the issue has been fixed here. You can see now here is 1, 2, 3, 4 is present. That's the way you can build a report without using the sort and filter or without using any kind of VBA. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment. And if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button for more videos or for more updates. Thanks for watching.